Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to redeem gift card on amazon.com or amazon.in. First of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website which you want to redeem, like amazon.com or amazon.in. Okay, and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on this option like hello and sign in option. And once you logged in, you need to tap this option like account option or your account option. When you select this option, it will pop up this kind of options. On this option there is a option like gift card and top-ups. You need to select this option, and it will redirect you on this kind of a screen. You can see there are lots of options. You can redeem your gift card, or you can apply gift card to your account. You can do anything on this screen. So in our case, we are going to redeem a gift card. You need to select redeem gift card, and then you need to enter your claim code which is available on your gift card, and you need to enter the code, and don't enter any kind of dashes or any kind of signs. Okay, so when you click on apply to your balance, it will reflect in your account, and by using this way you can easily redeem your gift card or Amazon gift card. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.